Hi, welcome to m2serve Studio tutorial. This tutorial will cover pre and post rule. In this tutorial, we will learn what are pre and post rule and how we can use them in our m2serve project. So let's talk about pre rule first. Pre rules are conditions that you would like to apply on any action or event to occur. For example, suppose you have a variable say x and you want to assign a value say 100 to it. But there is a condition something like this. So say if x is equal to 50, then and only assign 100 to x. So how we can achieve this condition from our studio? For this, rules comes into picture. So let us get back to our studio. uh, Select this button. So on this button click, I want to set the value of my variable to 100 and add a pre-rule to it. So click on show event, select my button, event as click and action as set variable. As we can see our set variable screen, so let's add a pre-rule. So the equation was if the variable is equal to 50. So here our variable is my variable which we have already created is equal to 50, and then assign 100 to my variable. So I choose the variable and assign 100 to it. So it's done. So like we have a condition if my variable is equal to 50. If this is true, then assign my variable is equal to 100. So we go and click on associate event and it's done. I will show you one more condition how to create a little complex condition in m2serve studio. Suppose we have a condition something like this: if x is equal to 50 and y is not equal to 100 or z is equal to 20, where x, y and z can be a variable or can be a control. So let's create this condition first. So we're gonna go to a button, select our button, and on a double click event say we want to choose set property as action. Let's add a pre-rule. So for our first equation or the condition, we have x is equal to 50. Here suppose x is our variable, so we're gonna go and choose the variable is equal to 50, and as we have and this condition, as we can see, this is a separate condition, this is a separate condition, and we have an operator in between which is OR. So to achieve this, let's go and press this button. Now let's create this condition where y is not equal to 100. So let's assume y is our control. So we're gonna go and click on control, select say my button, and the property title is not equal to click. We're gonna add one more condition which is for z. Suppose z is a control too. We're gonna choose my label as control, property as text is equal to hello. As we can see in the equation, between these two conditions we have an operator OR. So on our studio we have this first condition which is of y, this z, and we assign here OR. So and we are done. So we can see we have a if my variable is equal to 50 and my button title is not equal to click, or my label text is equal to hello, then if this condition is satisfied, then change the property of my button title as hello, and we are done. One thing to notice here is for every event there can be only one pre-rule. So by this we are done with our pre-rule. Let's move towards post rule. Post rule are conditions that you want to apply after certain action is completed. So let's choose an existing action which we have already created. So let's choose this set variable option, click on edit. So this is our pre-rule, this is our pre-rule action, and once this action is completed, I want to add a post rule. So we just go and click on post rule. It's same as you are creating a pre-rule, the same interface is there. So after this condition is done, I want to check if my variable is equal to 100. If yes, then assign a post rule action over here, set variable. Now I would like to assign a value 200 to my variable if my post rule condition is true. Once this is done, click on associate event. So what we did over there is something like this. We have this one. This is our pre-rule. This is our condition. Once this is executed, we check again if x is equal to 100. Then assign x is equal to 200. So this is our post rule over here and our post condition. So that's all in pre and post rule implementation. Thank you.